Hi, welcome. This is a video about a very simple thing. Did you know if you update your system and then do a scal and bash RC is changed and XFCE settings are changed, and that's what scal does, right? Have a look before you do it. When you press, reboot, and if you press Alt F1, we have this new keyboard shortcut for you guys, right? Alt F1 opens up in XFCE only the menu. And the Plasma users will say, hey Eric, that's going to be working on Plasma as well. So hence the idea. Because the super key is not working on XFCE, and it has a reason. The flagship has XFCE OpenBox i3, and if we mix that particular keyboard shortcut there, it's gonna clash with OpenBox, and that's why it's not there. So Alt F1 is there for your convenience. All right, cheers.